Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be talking about the use and care of your microwave. So the use and care of your microwave is important in order to ensure that it's going to be reliable and give you good performance. So the first thing we want to talk about is the proper use. So in talking about your microwave and the proper use, the first point we want to talk about is using the correct cookware. So materials that are not microwave safe could cause a fire or explosion. So for the sake of safety and longevity of your microwave, you should only use microwave safe dishware. Typically, ceramic, glass, and plastic items are safe for the microwave. Look for the microwave safe label on each piece of dishware. So our next point is to avoid running your microwave without anything being inside. Running a microwave without anything inside can cause serious damage. When a microwave is empty, the energy the microwave produces must be absorbed by its own components, such as the glass or the magnetron that produces the energy. These components are not designed to withstand that kind of exposure, and repairing or replacing them can be very expensive. If you like to use your microwave as a timer, most microwaves have a separate timer function that counts the time down without producing any internal energy. So our last point on use is using programmed cooking times from the microwave. Not a lot of people use pre-programmed microwave cooking times. In fact, rarely. However, these times are designed to make the most efficient use of the microwave by minimizing energy loss and heating the food as effectively as possible. Give these preset cooking modes a try, and you may find that your food not only comes out better, but also help prevent some of the other issues that can cause microwave damage. So now that we've talked about the proper use of your microwave, let's talk about some of the points for the proper care. One of the easiest ways to extend the longevity of your microwave is by cleaning it regularly. Many people do not realize that food and liquid spatters can absorb energy, leading to burn spots and even causing damage to the components of the microwave. So when talking about cleaning your microwave, the first thing you want to do is daily wipe up any spills that might have taken place. And on a once a week basis, you're going to want to take out the glass tray, clean it, wipe down the interior of the microwave, the bottom, the top, and the sides. And then once a month, you want to give a good deep cleaning, in which you're going to be looking at cleaning all those same items you did weekly, but as well make sure you're cleaning the inside of that door. And the last thing you want to consider cleaning, and it can be part of your monthly cleaning, is wiping down the touchpad. As your fingers touch it, you're leaving a bit of grease on it. It makes it a little harder for the next time you go to touch it. Plus, it's a place where bacteria will grow, so give that a wipe as well. So our last point in the care of your microwave is knowing when to call for help. Basically, there's some parts that you can look after on the microwave yourself and be quite comfortable, and that's anything from those filters to the light bulbs inside and underneath for your over-the-counter. But beyond that, you're starting to get into areas where there's some high voltage circuitry and some very complex timing of micro switches and stuff like that. So you're very well going to need to probably be calling someone in to look after those kind of things. Thanks very much for watching our guide on use and care of your microwave. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, swing over to Fix.com and check out our blog.